Hi guys, this is Jonathan from TacomaExplorer.com. Today we're going to be looking at how to put your Tacoma in four-wheel drive. So let's take a quick look. First, let's talk about how to switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive in 4-high, which is going to be your first four-wheel drive mode that you're going to switch into. So really easy. All you need to do is make sure you're under 62 miles per hour. You could even be stopped and simply switch that over into 4-high. Now to switch back out, simply just turn this back to two-wheel drive, and that can be done at any speed. Okay, now that we're in 4-high and we want to switch into 4-low, you're going to bring the vehicle to a stop and shift into neutral. Once you're in neutral, you push in and turn into 4-low. You can see here that pre-collision turns off, VSC is turned off, and you'll get a 4-low indicator here on the dashboard. Now to get out of 4-low, we're going to do a very similar procedure to turning it on. So we're going to stop the vehicle and shift back into neutral. And then we can push in and turn to 4-high, or you could turn to two-wheel drive. And you'll see that the indicator lights that were on there are now gone. So let's talk quickly about when to use the different modes. So two-wheel drive mode is what you're going to be in most of the time, and that's going to be what you use on all your paved roads, high speeds, low speeds. That's what you'll be in 99% of the time. Then you have 4-high, and that will be good for slick conditions where the tires may be sliding. That would be such as snow, mud, off-road, dirt, things like that. And then 4-low is going to be when you need maximum power and traction. So that might be when you're in sand or need to pull hard through mud, going up a steep climb, or a steep descent. Okay, hopefully this helped you understand how to switch between all the four-wheel drive modes on the Tacoma. If you have any questions or if you want to learn more, go to TacomaExplorer.com. We have a bunch more information about how to use the four-wheel drive system, and you can also contact us through there if you have additional questions.